Are you interested in real estate and looking for a profitable investment opportunity? Consider flipping houses. Flipping houses involves buying a property in need of renovation, making improvements, and then selling it for a profit. The first step is conducting comprehensive market research. Look for areas with high demand, a growing economy, and favorable home appreciation rates. Identify properties with potential. Look for houses that are undervalued, distressed, or in need of repairs. The goal is to add value through improvements. Assemble a reliable team of professionals, such as contractors, architects, and real estate agents, who can help you with the renovation process and selling the property. Develop a detailed renovation plan and budget. Prioritize repairs and upgrades that will have the greatest impact on the property's value, such as kitchen and bathroom renovations. Oversee the renovation process closely to ensure the work is done efficiently and within budget. Maintain open communication with your team and address any issues that may arise. And stage the house to make it visually appealing to potential buyers. Use stylish furniture, artwork, and decor to showcase the property's potential and attract maximum interest. Market the property effectively. Utilize professional photography, virtual tours, and online listings to showcase the house to a wide audience of potential buyers. When you receive offers, negotiate the best price for the property. Consider factors such as market conditions, recent sales in the area, and the property's unique selling points. Finally, complete the sale and collect your profit. Ensure all legal and financial obligations are met and celebrate the successful completion of your house flipping project. Flipping houses can be a lucrative investment strategy, but it requires careful planning, market research, and a dedicated team. With the right approach, you can turn a fixer-upper into a profitable venture and create a successful real estate portfolio.